Hello, beautiful people. It's another beautiful day. Welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I approach the market before clicking the buy or the sell button. I've received messages from friends, colleagues telling me to do a video on how I approach the market on daily basis before clicking the buy or the sell button. Okay, so in today's video, I want you to stay with me to the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the like button because today I'm going to show you everything that I've been doing as a trader. Remember, it is not always smooth. In Forex you lose and you gain, but the way you manage your risk against your reward will determine whether you are progressing or you are losing. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Let me show you how I approach the market every day. So when I wake up as a forex trader, after doing my morning activities like press out, bathing and everything, what I do is when I open my trading view, but before that on weekends I do analysis, and based on my analysis I'll be having certain currencies, certain pairs that I'll be looking at for within the week. Okay, so I'll write them down in my journal. So as I have those currency pairs that I'll be watching, those are the pairs I'll be watching. Okay, so when market open, what I do is I open my trading view. Then the next thing I do is I go to Forex Factory, which is a news site that I use to check the upcoming news that may affect the forex market. So Forex Factory is, if you don't know about it, just go to forexfactory.com. Daily news related to the currency or the forex market will be there for you to see and use. Okay, so as you can see today we have two news which is related to card, and red means what these news are going to influence the market. The card related pairs will be influenced. So what you have to do is, after noting this, you check the time, and if possible you set alarm towards this upcoming news. And when you're setting the alarm, you have to set the alarm 5 minutes late to the time. Okay, 5 minutes to the time. Okay, so after noting this thing, then I go back to my trading view. So as I go back to my trading view, so basically I'm going to talk to you about how I've been able to get this trade from the bottom here all the way to the top right there, and the second trade which I have taken and it's currently running. Okay, so this trade, as you can see, let me zoom out for you to see. This trade was coming from the top, having a downtrend, as you can see. Okay, but in the higher time frame, based on my analysis on the weekend, I realized that this trade is approaching a major support level. Let me show you right here. Okay, this trade is approaching a major support level. So as you can see, I drew this support level down for some time now, and this is first one. It has been touched how many times? One, two, and this is the third one. Okay, so as the market approaches this level, okay, forming this that downtrend, what I did was I waited for the market to do its own thing over here. So the market touched this zone, went up, came back to touch it and rejected. So as the market rejected, I see my entry confirmation here. Okay, I see my entry confirmation here, which is the first candle, second candle, third candle, fourth candle, then the fifth candle. See how the fourth candle, the bullish candle, has rejected this zone. Okay, it's another confluence. Okay, so I quickly entered a position right here. I entered a first position right here. Okay, risking 20 pip stop loss. No, the first one, I think I was risking 30 pip. The first entry, I was risking 30 pip, just a little bit below the the zone. Okay, a little bit below the zone. I was risking 30 pip. So this trade took almost 12 or 16 hours to play at my entry, stop loss entry, stop loss entry. It was playing there. Then all of a sudden, I saw this market giving me another entry confirmation. So what I did is as this market has rejected this bearish candle, 1, 2, 3, fourth one, telling me it's an engulfing candle. So I entered another position. That was when I entered my second position. Okay. So as I entered my second position, here, this one I was risking 20 pip. Okay, I was risking 20 pip. The reason why I was risking 20 pip is I've seen my entry confirmation 2 times at the same area. Okay, I saw my entry confirmation 2 times at the same area. So I realized that this market is going to go up. Okay, so but one thing that I take into consideration is this resistance level, which is this rectangle zone that I've drawn over here. So market has reacted to this level. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fifth one is this one, and we are approaching the trend line. Okay, so I was being very careful trading this one. When market approached this level, that was when I broke even. All the entries that I brought them to break even. So I was waiting to see what this market will do. I know that right now I'm trading against the trend, but another confluence is telling me that we have just reacted to a major support level. Okay, so as I break even, I was happy and I allowed the trade to play. So as I set my first TP at this level, the trade was rejecting here and I wasn't doing anything. I allow it to play like set and forget. So I do this red line is a psychological level of 0.57 thousand. Okay, so that was when I placed my TP 50 pip. So market came all the way there and I took my profits. So as I took my profit, I saw another entry over here. The same entry confirmation has formed. Reject, reject, reject. Then we have an engulfing candle. But I did not take it. I did not take it because this trend line has been broken and we have touched a major support level. Even if I would have taken it, I would be targeting this zone over here to take my profit. But I wasn't targeting that because it's possible that this, even though this nice pattern has formed, which is my entry pattern, it could break out. Okay, because we have broken the trend line and we have touched a major support level. So I was waiting for the retest of the trend line, which has happened at what this support level, which has been touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth one, and the fifth one has given me my entry confirmation again. So as it has given my entry confirmation, and I took a Fibonacci from the recent low, which is this one, to the recent high, which is this one, the recent high, this one. Okay, as I took my Fibonacci level, I realized the market has rejected, I thought, the 50% Fibonacci level. And as it has rejected over there, another support level has formed and it has reacted to that. And none of the candle has closed below this first week. And upon seeing this engulfing candle, that is when I entered. So I entered this market based on this condition. 1, we have approached this major support level. 2, we have rejected the support level and I have seen my entry confirmation. And the third one, the second trade that I took was because we broke the trend line. We came back for retest or that support level and at 50% Fibonacci level. So as I entered the trade, this trade I risked 20 pip targeting this one and I entered 2 positions. I took the first profit over here, which is this psychological level. So I'm left with the current trade that is running. I'm left with one trade that is running right now. I'm expecting it to break this psychological level, which this candle has closed. So hopefully, I'm expecting this market to come to this resistance level before coming back to test this zone or test this trend line that I've done over here. So that is how I approach the market every day. Okay, but during the weekend, I look out for the currencies that are approaching a very important zone, a very important area of interest. So that is it. And if you like content like this, please, my brother, hit that like button for me. Subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your friends. Remember, and one thing I want you to take into consideration: backtest my entry confirmation, backtest my entry pattern, which is this one, as you can see. Eh? Let me zoom out for you to see. Let me zoom out. You wait for the candle to reject. If it reject, the next one, especially what works most is that the same color is rejecting 3 times and all of them closing within the weeks of the first one, and let the next one be an engulfing candle, just like it has happened here. Just like it has happened here. You can back test it. Okay, back test the entry pattern. Back test it. If it works for you, the currency pairs on which it works, then you use those currency pairs as what your major currency pairs that you'll be trading. And remember, you have to play very careful. Market is dynamic. We cannot always predict where it goes. At times you see the entry pattern fine like this and trade will reverse against you and come and hit your stop loss. It is part of the game. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.